I'll take you through the key global cues today. Well, the Asian stocks started the week on a higher note after the US peers chalked fresh record highs on Friday in a broad-based rebound. Shares in Japan outperformed while South Korea also did rise. Australian markets advanced despite a prolonged lockdown in the largest city, Sydney. China's central bank cut the amount of cash that most banks must hold in reserve, underpinning gains, and the government proposed new rules on companies listing overseas. Markets in Australia were up 0.8%, while Kospi was up 0.9%. Nikkei was up as much as over 2% in trade. If you look at the US markets, the US stock indices rallied to record high closing on Friday as financials and other economically focused sectors rebounded from a sell-off sparked by growth worries earlier in the week. S&P financials jumped 2.9% in the sector's biggest daily percentage gain since March 1. Financial-led sector advances followed by energy, materials as well as industrials. Big banks including JPMorgan Chase will kick off the second quarter earnings season this week, and yes, all eyes would of course be in terms of the earnings season during the entire course of the month, I guess. US listed shares of Didi Global gained 7.3% after 4 sessions of losses, post-regulatory overhang from China's internet watchdog. 10-year yield did fall as much as 7.4 basis points to just under 1.35%, the lowest since February 24th. Dow was up 1.3% at 34,870, while the S&P was up 1.1%. NASDAQ was up as much as 0.9% in trade. If you look at the stocks in Europe, the European stocks jumped more than 1% as investors sought bargains after one of the worst sell-off in this year of global economic recovery worries. The Pan-European Stock 600 index gained 1.3%, with automakers and miners surging 4% and 3.4% respectively. The mining sector marked its best session gains in 2 months. French plane maker Airbus gained 3.4% after it recorded a 52% jump in deliveries in the first half of the year. Data released earlier showed UK's post-lockdown economic rebound slowed sharply in May despite an easing of COVID-related restrictions. Investors will now turn their focus to the earnings season, which kicks off during the week. DAX was up 1.7%, while CAC was up as much as 2%. FTSE was up 1.3% in trade. WTI crude fell 1.8%, the most since June 28th, and gold futures did rise 0.8%, climbing for a 4th straight day, the longest winning streak since May 20th. Thank you for watching.